Looking for some insights on improving your team's productivity? Stick around and hear what these two pros have to say. Welcome to Accounts Payable Soundbites, the program where we share tips and explain simple and complex accounts payable issues in short, concise soundbites. This is a part of a sporadic series featuring a soundbite from some of the best minds in the industry. So Josh, give us your tip.
ACH adoption has been on the rise for several years now. Since COVID hit, more suppliers are asking AP teams to pay them by ACH, and ACH enablement and data management is a tough thing. What we've also seen on the rise is ACH payment fraud risk. And AP teams just aren't equipped yet to handle all the controls and security requirements around ACH and bank information management. So my tip to AP teams is don't go alone when you're trying to adopt or enable an ACH payment program. Okay, find a partner or provider who can help you.
Great advice. Before we turn to Hannah, who's probably one of the top speakers at some of our podcasts, I want to share with you that if you're interested in learning more about these guys and their companies, we've got links to their company websites in the show notes below. All right, Hannah, our audience always likes to hear from you. What do you have for us today?
Well, really quick, beware the order acknowledgement. Why do I say that? Well, accounts payable is really the gateway to money coming in, money coming out, and cash flow is king when it comes to business. And the order acknowledgement sometimes plays a real pivotal role in that battle of the forms. You know, is it the order to sell or the offer to purchase? Because the one who gets in last, the acceptance, is the one whose terms win. And sometimes that order acknowledgement, you think it's just a receipt. Oh yeah, I'm signing a receipt. No. Read it. It may very well say that these terms and conditions now override what you thought was the deal. And it could very well affect your terms of payment, whether it's 30, 60, 90, whatever, or due on receipt. So beware the acknowledgement.
Yep. Tricky vendors. All righty. If you like this episode, you might also like our episode on invoice tips. It's number 55, and the link will appear to the left shortly. Thanks for coming today, and don't forget, we always appreciate those thumbs up.